Okay, for those who wonder where the plug was, in this chapter, we want to show you. Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. Okay, now in this chapter, we want to proceed to the removal of the seats. This is the front section. Basically, all we have to do is pull that molding in the side, access the bolts, and remove the plug. What you're going to be needed is a Torx 45 for the 4 bolts, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and our clip remover, this tool right there. And let's dive in. So basically, you have this molding, just like that. That's the plug over there. So before you remove the seat, be sure that it's all the way up. Try to position it in the center when you do the removal, so you have plenty of space in the back. For now, we're going to start to moving it forward and backwards so we can access the bolts. Be sure that your lumbar support is all the way down, and your angle in the backrest is not all the way flat, but not really 90 degrees. It's slightly in an angle. So we took the 2 bolts in the back already, right there. We want to take the 2 fronts now. Now you're going to use your clip remover just to remove this plug from that side. You got this red pin, you put it towards the outside, and then you have these 2 plugs right here. You just squish it and it releases the plug. Now you can move the seat. For the console, you have to remove this cover. And for that one, you need an 18. You're gonna have one in the front like this, that it was already covered, and one in the back. Same process. The other side is the same. So you're gonna do the same process for your passenger seat. And that's the completion of the front removal. Get the seat out of the vehicle, and I'll show you on the console. The console has a plug in the other side. Let me show you. It's the same process, guys. So we are demystifying the installation process for the leather and make it this very simple for you. Actually, it's underneath. It's not in this side. It's gonna be underneath. That's the 1 bolt. That's the one in the back. And that's for the removal of the front section. So, okay, for those who wonder where the plug was, in this chapter, we want to show you. It's right there. It was not underneath the seat precisely. It's there. Same process as the other one. You get the clip, you get the corner, and it's out. I'm going to be showing you the process for the removal of the rear seat in just a minute in the following chapter. Now you can get out your center console.